Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare TQQQ with TECL. I'm someone who loves investing into ETFs, but more than investing, I love analyzing. So if you have some good ETFs that you want me to compare, share it down below in comments and I'll be really happy to do that. Also, if you want to learn how you can make more money with ETFs, dividends, leverage ETFs, I created a course down below in the description, you will find it, check it out. So without further ado, let's start. Now, when I come here and when I see TQQQ and TECL, what are some main differences? Let me show you. So different is here, pro shares, direction or direction. I don't know how to read that, I'll be honest. And then we see expense ratio. Expense ratio is higher in TECL, 1.08, comparing to expense ratio 0.95. So if you would be investing $10,000, you would pay $95 fee here and here $108. Maybe it's important to, maybe it's not, but it is what it is. Of course, really important thing to say is that both are leveraged ETFs, so the earning potential is much higher, but also the risk of losing money is higher. High risk, high return. Also, really important thing to say is that with TECL and TQQQ, it's good for trading, swift trading, maybe weekly trading. That's like completely up to what kind of strategy. I don't know about long-term hold, but even when we check the past 10 years, even if you would use it as a long-term investing, even that way, it's going to be effective and good. So, and we will look, and I'm going to show you guys the portfolio and if you how the performance would be for the past 10 years, and you will like it. So definitely check the video whole. Now, underlying index 100, index 103, holdings top 100 Nasdaq. Primarily right now there are technology select sector index for SP 79 holdings in TECL. Now when we go even further, now we're gonna go to performance, and that's something that I'm going to show you right now, and then we will get to holdings, okay? So we go TECL, and then we will go TQQQ. I'm going to portfolio 100% and 100%. And let's say that we're gonna invest in the 2010. And then initial amount, we're gonna have 10,000, okay? And then what we're gonna do is analyze portfolios. So right now, you can see clearly that with the technology bull with TECL, we would have $600,000, and with TQQQ, we would be at 1 million. Now, when we go even further, you can see the annual returns right here. And many times, the TQQQ was overperforming TECL. The blue one is TECL, TQQQ is a red one. And you see even right here, past year, past 3 years, like both are performing really well. That's for sure. And of course, TECL got higher expense ratio. Now, when we compare the holdings here, let me show you the holdings. Holdings, we see that technology is 50%, industrial 5.89, financials 3.74. And you see that Dreyfus Government Cash Management, Microsoft Corporation, Apple, and Nvidia is here. Comparing to the TQQQ, you see that this is the like Nasdaq holdings, and you see that we're gonna have Google here. That's something you don't have in TECL. So that's something really important to say. And when you're gonna read the comments here, that many people like TECL, no Facebook, Google, Tesla, it's basically a way for me to buy Apple and Microsoft, that's for sure, because we're gonna see Apple and Microsoft right here. In TECL, that's like 27% just in those two. So Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft Corporation makes 30% of the whole TECL holding. And yep, you just have to be careful about the investing into it. So yes, and the expense ratio is different. And this is pretty much it. And no leaps options are available. So TQQQ has better performance, lower fees, much higher AUM, much higher volume, 25 times. That's true. That's true. Daily volume. But many times some people don't like Google stocks, and that's pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And assets under management is higher, average daily volume is higher, expense ratio is lower on TQQQ. The performance for the past 10 years was better comparing to TECL, but it's up to you which one you're going to choose. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you, provide some guidance, support, you know how it goes. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.